But I am here with another hair review, and this one is going to be from ALLOVE hair. So I'm sure you guys heard about it. If you haven't, stay tuned, watch the video. So this is how the hair comes. We're gonna get straight into the video. All right, so this is how the hair comes in the package. ALLOVE. Don't mind my nails, I took them off. It's beautiful. It took about 3 days for me to receive the hair, which is not bad at all. And this is actually a full wig, so this one is not a lace, but it's actually a wig with a bang. And the inches that I got was 18 inches. I probably should have got a longer length, but we're gonna see how it looks in a plastic bag like this. Like I said, it's 18 inches. Inside, here's the cap. It comes with 3 caps, and we're gonna see how it looks when I put it on. All right, so this is me after putting the hair straight on. No straightener, no nothing, just straight on to my head. So I did put a wig cap on under it. This is all human hair, by the way. Of course, we need to add some bumps, but so far I'm loving it. You know, I'm very picky when it comes to bangs because it can be very annoying at times. But we're gonna see what she do. All right. So it's a little bumpy right here. So I'm gonna just construct the wig a little bit. Definitely big head friendly. So if you have a big head, this is cool for you. I'm gonna go ahead and bump it. So that's great. If you want to, you know, thin the edges out, you can do that also with a razor. I'm going to keep it like this. I'm probably going to wear her this weekend if I go somewhere with some big earrings. This is the final look. Obviously, it didn't take much time because it's a wig. We just throwing it on. There's no lace we got to deal with. We don't have to deal with the, you know, the glue or anything like that. The hair is very light on the density, so it's not really heavy. So if you're looking for a lightweight type of wig, then this is the one for you. It's really soft. I love the softness of the hair, and this is 18 inches, so it's not too long. You know, it comes right here. If you want something longer, they do have a longer length. So it's a natural color. It's very flowy, you know, and it straightens really good. So when you straighten it, it will straighten out. It doesn't take too much heat. You don't need much heat to straighten this hair. All right, so I do have another wig coming for you guys. Like I said, I don't know if I mentioned, this is all human hair, 100% human hair. My next review is going to be on some more affordable hair. It's going to be a mixed blend wig, and it's gonna have color. So all my ladies on a budget, if you're interested in that, you want to stay tuned, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bar. This way you can receive those alerts whenever I post a video. And once again, this is Bianca Knockka, and I'm tuning out.